A warm welcome home for Pukekohe North Primary teacher Pikiteora Mura-Hita. Their whaia Pikiteora has just returned from Las Vegas after making it to the semi-finals in the International Karaoke Contest.
I te tuatahi te mai, me taku kia tiki taku tuahine, taku tuakana. Gee, are you sure I'm the right one to be here? Yeah. And then my sisters are like, of course you are, just get up there and do what you do. Now, I was fortunate enough to make it through the 5 rounds. There were 5 rounds you had to make it through. And then got to the last round and it was out of the top 5 and I was selected as 2nd overall. So, yeah! Hello from the other side. I must have heard 1,000 times.
Mura-Hita's father, Rob Hita, also travelled with her to Vegas for support.
This is out of different, this is the world scene, this one, so, we're very proud, very proud. It was good for me to be there for her as well. Otherwise she would have spent a lot of time by herself, so it was really cool.
It's only natural that she would do well in the competition. She's not shy of the spotlight, having worked as a presenter on the children's show Pukana and as a co-host on Whakaata Māori's Homai Te Pakipaki.
Are the vocalists from Ohine Mutu Rotoro going to bring it?
I hope so.
You hope so, or you know so?
Well, I don't think there's any Morrisons in there. I'm hoping so.
It took us 2 months to fundraise, and mei kore aki ko taku whānau, I would have never made it. My family and my friends and ēnei tamariki got me there. I'm just so proud to represent Aotearoa and represent our horo Pukekohe.
But for now, she's putting down the microphone because her priority are her students. Mārena mane, te Ao Tapatahi.